Divisibility rule of 6. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. Now let's go to the first example. In the number 23,562, it is an even number, therefore 2 goes into it. Now let's see if 3 goes into this number. Now remember, the rule of 3 is add up all the numbers, and if 3 goes into the sum, then 3 goes into the original number. Now 3 goes into 18, therefore 3 goes into 23,562. Now since both numbers go into this number, then that means that 6 goes into 23,562. Now in the next example of 236, it is even, then that means that 2 goes into 236. Now let's go to the next number of 3. Let's add up all the numbers. Now 3 does not go into 11, so that means that 3 does not go into 236. Therefore, 236 is not divisible by 6. In 501, it is an odd number, therefore 2 does not go into it. And since 2 doesn't work, then we don't need to go any farther because both numbers have to work. In the next example of 1002, it is even, so that means that 2 goes into it. Now let's add up all the numbers and see if 3 goes into this number. 3 goes into 3, so that means that 3 works. And since both 2 and 3 work in this number, then that means that 1002 is divisible by 6. In the last example of 780, it is an even number, so that means that 2 goes into 780. So let's see if 3 works. 3 goes into the number 15, so that means that 3 works in this number. And since both 2 and 3 work, therefore 780 is divisible by 6.